Hello friends, I welcome all of you once again to our this session. Here we will discuss about how to do the Udyam registration, which is the second step. You can say this is the updated version of MSME registration certificate. So here there are two options. If you are a new entrepreneur, so there is a different process of registration. If you do you have already a MSME registration number, so Udyog Aadhaar, which we can say, so it is a different approach. So for the persons entrepreneurs who already have that Udyog Aadhaar number, so he has to click here and then he has to file his that number, and after that you will receive a OTP which is registered in your Udyog Aadhaar registration number, and then you have to wait for a few days. After that you will receive one Udyog registration number, for which you have to click here print certificate, enter that number, OTP will generate, and then OTP will be filled, the printout will come out. So this is the one process. In second approach, if you are new entrepreneurs, you don't have a Udyam registration, so you have to click here. Before that you should have few documents. First of all, you must have a PAN number copy because there is a date of incorporation. Then you must have an address which is mentioned in your GST registration number. GST certificate should be there. The name of the authorized person, few basic detail, mobile number and email ID, basic details are required. So first of all, you have to fill here the Aadhaar number of a partner or a director or a proprietor. If you are proprietor, so proprietor's Aadhaar card number, and then if you are a director, so direct company. So if you are going to register for a company, so you need a Aadhaar number of any directors who is authorized signatory. In case of partnership, from the Aadhaar number of the partners. Then name of the enterprises, okay, not enterprises, name of the person whose Aadhaar you are using. Then after that validate, generate the OTP, and then we will go to the further step. The further step, it will ask for you to validate the PAN number, okay. So we will see in the next step. After that the OTP will be sent on your mail ID. Then you have to fill here the PAN number and then the validate accordingly. So it is one by one step you have to follow. Okay guys, after validate the Aadhaar OTP, then it will ask you step by step few questions which you have to verify, like for which you are generating. So I am generating for partnership firm. Then okay, PAN validate. After that few question it will ask, so you have to file it. Okay, do you have filed the returns? Do you have a GST number? Yes. Then address, email ID, PAN number, and date of incorporation you will be get it from your partnership deed or a PAN number. Then bank detail, categorization, okay, NIC code, it is available on the list, okay. We will see it, how can we file it. NIC number, number of people, employees, and if do you have any machinery, so that detail you also registered. Yes. And then few detail related to, then after that you will receive the final OTP. So this is all about. Okay friends, now the section we are talking about the NIC code related query. So in the registration, Udyam registration, it will ask for a NIC code, so that we have to need to file. Although it is available during the time of the registration, you have to file, you have to print type only the first three words related to services. Suppose you are providing the engineering services, your civil construction services, so you have to type CIV or you have to file ENG. So it will, a list will be open and you have to select it accordingly, and it will automatically fill the detail NIC at 2-digit level, NIC at 4-digit level, NIC at 5-digit levels, okay. But if you are a professional and you have to give you have multiple clients, so here you can see there is a NIC code. You have to click it here, one booklet will open, so you have to search accordingly. There is a very big list, but the coding list at the end of the, so here you can see the codes, okay. Okay, shortcut ENGI, engineering. So these are the codes. 71 NIC code 2-digit level 71, then 711, okay. So it will automatically, if you type this service there, so code will be all automatically open. So this is the best way for. But then we have to give detail how many employees are employed. So 4 0 4 to 6 2 female, others. Okay, then if you have a plant and machinery, so you have to include it here. Okay, then turnover you have to mention. That's it. Okay guys, after that you will receive a message and then it's fine. Okay guys, after that you will receive this message, and this is the confirmation that you got the Udyam registration number. It will take 5 minutes. Then you have to go and print it. Go type here your Udyam registration number. Okay, it will take few days. Okay, as here we see the message.